sophisticated language and to know more complex structures of his language. So babies in utero are good examples. Means babies when they are in their mother's womb, they start discriminate and listen to sounds. That's according to Nick Asper and Spence in 1986. And to put this into practice, they did an experiment to prove that children may be programmed to speech sounds. That is to say, may discriminate and may hear sounds when they are still in their mother's womb. So the experiment that they did is that they take pregnant mothers. So the experiment that they did is that they take